So this is an 8-pack of fishing lure covers. So that way you don't have to take your lures off of your rod when you are done fishing. It'll work like a sock. Has Velcro on both sides here, so we can just take our lure. We're gonna make a sandwich like it, fold that up, and you just go right onto your rod, and now your lure, well, tighten it up and put it on there. So you're done fishing. When you're to make traveling easier, your lure is on your rod. You'll take your protector and wrap it around the lure. And now your lure has its own little sock. And that is an 8-pack of the lure protectors, Velcro to cover it and hold it in place. And then when you're ready to fish, there's your lure.